everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to add someone on Telegram. Adding a contact on Telegram is quite easy. Simply follow the steps as shown in the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Tap open your Telegram application to get started. Make sure you're logged into your account, and once you are, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left-hand corner. Now, from the expanded menu, select Contacts. When the new page appears, tap on the human icon with a plus in it at the lower right-hand corner. In order to add a contact, you'll need to provide their name and their phone number. Type in their name in the first text box. The last name is optional. You may type it down or skip the step. Choose your country by tapping on Choose a Country. Now type in the contact number that you'd like to add on your Telegram. Once you do that, tap on the tick mark at the top right-hand corner. And there you have added a contact on Telegram. It's quite simple, isn't it? That is how you can easily add someone on Telegram with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.